Today, Honor has officially expanded its tablet lineup with the launch of a brand new budget Android tablet called the Honor Pad X8b, designed for users who want a large display experience without spending flagship-level money. This tablet focuses on practicality, entertainment, and everyday productivity rather than raw performance. The launch comes just ahead of Honor's upcoming global release of its premium Magic Pad 4 tablet, showing that the company is targeting both high-end and budget segments at the same time. Let's take a closer look at what the Honor Pad X8b actually offers, and whether it makes sense in today's competitive tablet market, design, and build quality. Starting with the design, Honor has given the Pad X8b a surprisingly premium appearance considering its affordable price category. The tablet features a full metal body, which immediately makes it feel more durable and refined compared to many plastic-built budget tablets currently available. Despite housing a large battery and display, the device remains relatively slim at just 7.25 millimeters thick. It also weighs around 496 grams, making it lightweight enough for extended use whether you're watching videos, attending online classes, or browsing the web. The clean and minimal design follows Honor's modern aesthetic, and currently, the tablet is available in a single space-gray color option, giving it a professional and neutral look suitable for both students and office users. Display experience. One of the biggest highlights of the Honor Pad X8b is its display. The tablet comes with a large 11-inch IPS LCD panel, offering a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. This results in a pixel density of around 207 pixels per inch, which is perfectly adequate for streaming content, reading documents, or casual gaming. More importantly, Honor has included a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is uncommon in this price segment. This higher refresh rate allows smoother scrolling, improved animations, and a noticeably better user experience compared to traditional 60 Hz tablets. Honor has also focused on eye comfort. The display carries TV Rhineland certifications for low blue light emission and flicker-free viewing. This makes long viewing sessions more comfortable, especially for students or users who spend hours watching content or studying on their devices. Performance and processor. Moving to performance. The Honor Pad X8b is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 680 chipset. Now, this processor may sound familiar because it was originally introduced back in 2021 and has already appeared in several tablets and smartphones over the years. In fact, Honor previously used the same chip in the Honor Pad 8 released in 2022. While this isn't a performance-focused processor, it is designed for efficiency and stable everyday usage. Tasks like video streaming, social media browsing, online meetings, note-taking, and light gaming should run smoothly. The tablet comes with 4 GB of RAM paired with 128 GB of internal storage, which provides enough space for apps, files, and multimedia content for average users. Benchmark scores from similar Snapdragon 680 devices typically reach around 200,000 points in Antutu, placing it firmly in the entry-level performance category. So this tablet is clearly aimed at casual users rather than heavy gamers or power users. Cameras and software. In terms of cameras, the Honor Pad X8b keeps things simple. On the rear, there's a 5-megapixel camera with autofocus, mainly intended for document scanning or occasional photography. On the front, users get another 5-megapixel selfie camera, which is primarily designed for video calls, online classes, and virtual meetings. Software-wise, the tablet runs MagicOS 10 based on the latest Android 16 operating system. This ensures access to modern Android features, improved multitasking capabilities, and better system optimization compared to older budget tablets still running outdated software versions. Honor software also includes productivity-focused features such as split-screen multitasking and improved tablet interface scaling. Battery life and audio. Battery life is another strong area for the Pad X8b. Honor has equipped the tablet with a massive 10,100 mAh battery, which should easily provide all-day usage for streaming, studying, or general browsing. For media consumption, the tablet includes a quad-speaker system, delivering louder and more immersive audio compared to dual-speaker setups commonly found in budget tablets. This combination of a large display, big battery, and multiple speakers makes the device particularly appealing for entertainment purposes like watching movies or YouTube content. Pricing and availability. The Honor Pad X8b has officially launched in Saudi Arabia as a Wi-Fi-only model. The tablet carries a retail price of $849, which converts to roughly $226 US. However, Honor is currently offering a promotional launch discount, bringing the price down to SAR 649, or approximately $173. At this price point, the Pad X8b positions itself as a highly affordable large-screen Android tablet. As of now, Honor has not confirmed global availability, but wider regional launches are expected in the coming months. Final thoughts. Overall, the Honor Pad X8b is clearly designed for users who prioritize display size, battery life, and multimedia experience over high-end performance. It may not introduce cutting-edge hardware, but it delivers a balanced package for students, casual users, and families looking for an affordable Android tablet. With its premium metal build, smooth 90Hz display, large battery, and updated Android software, the Honor Pad X8b stands out as a practical option in the budget tablet segment. The real question now is whether Honor will expand availability globally. Because at its discounted price, this tablet could become one of the most competitive budget tablets of 2026.